Shoot, who would just leave a Miata like this, running with the door unlocked? I guess I'll have to drive it. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to YouTube channel. I really appreciate you tuning in. We are back here in the Mazda Miata right now. It is pretty much sunset out, and I figured I would go for a drive just because the weather is too nice not to just enjoy the Miata. So we're out here doing that. I want to thank everyone for all the love on the 5 things I love about the Mazda Miata. If you guys haven't seen it yet, go check it out. I'll link it right here. But if you have seen it, thank you so much for going and checking it out. We're kind of just driving around right now. I went and got some food. As you can see, I got my Burger King slushie here. I already ate, so I figured I would come out here and just go for a cruise. It's pretty nice out today. There, that was a blind speed bump. I mean, if you were in your LaFerrari or something, I mean, that would be really rude. But you know, it is what it is. We'll go this way. I see another speed bump over there. Oh, you know, we need more aerodynamics. There we go. I'm floored, like pedal to the metal right now. Now, if it was boosted though, then we'd be talking. Why is this guy holding up so much traffic? Jeez. I hope those people go through. I'm going. I'm floored. You get a Miata, okay? If I were to do that in my Z, we'd be going like 165 miles an hour, which, you know, there's times for that too, but there's something about just being able to floor it in the Miata and just, I mean, this thing feels like you're going 100 at 70, and like if you're actually going 100, it feels like you're going 140, you know? It's just unbelievable. All right, we're out. Flat out again. I mean, you can't even complain. Flat out. Mid-turn, full beans, okay? All right, so, oh man, that just looks so amazing over there. Okay, so this is like my favorite housing track to cruise through. I guess you could call it a housing track. There's mailboxes, so Glen Oaks Hills. Alrighty, yeah, this place is great. I love the roads here, and we gotta drive quite a bit to get out here, but I mean, I just love cruising around these spots because the roads are all twisty and stuff, and it's always just a good time, but. So I was thinking about modding this thing, and I think the first thing I would do is get some headers. I've heard headers on a Miata, like especially long tube headers, I guess they can make a lot of difference. Power-wise. Third gear should be good. Oh, a little dusty right there. Drop it to second. Flat out. Oh yeah. Well, my slushy, it's gonna be hella slushy after this. Boom, we're at the top. Man, see, I love that road. That's such a, just like, I don't know, it's just a fun road, you know? And we can go back down this one here. Oh, that sunset though. Oh, geez. Shifts coming in hot. Oh, yeah. sunset. You guys, I'm afraid my slushie's gonna flip over. Jesus. See, when I said you could chuck it into a corner at 40, that's what I was talking about. I mean, stock suspension, like 30-year-old suspension, you guys. That's our park. So, like I was saying, long tube headers would be sick. I do want to get some wheels and suspension. I already have coilovers for this thing, and I'm determined, you guys, I am determined to put them on sometime within the next month. I'm just so busy with the 350Z and stuff. One of these days I'll get around to doing it, but and I'm sure once I put them on, I'll be so upset that I waited that long to do it, you know what I mean? But that's just how it is. So hopefully very soon. But until then, I mean, this thing, it delivers, you know, it performs. I love it. It's just, oh, right here. Looks like somebody did some donuts. Oh my gosh. What a night. I mean, this is what it's all about, right? I mean, the sunset, the Miata, like, being a car guy or a car girl, like, I got no one else out here with me, but I feel like I got all the company I need right here, you guys. Like, I'm not even joking. Jeez, crazy. Wow. It really is nights like tonight where you just like really appreciate the little things, you know? I mean, little things like this car. I mean, this is like the smallest car ever, like the slowest car ever, and we're out here enjoying every second of it. So just amazing. Man, I kind of want to go down there and do some donuts, but that would be ill-advised, wouldn't it? Should we try and do a donut right here? It's like someone tried to. Should we give it a little sendy? Maybe not, maybe not, maybe not, maybe not, maybe not, or maybe. Oh yeah. Little sendy. Send it left here. The sun is about to go behind that mountain, and there's one more spot I want to go to. See, like when there's no one else around, I feel like I'm on a go-kart track, especially driving this Miata. Like, I don't know, it just doesn't feel like a real car. Like, that's the best thing about these things. Man, this guy just built this massive house. I mean, that's just crazy. He's definitely enjoying that sunset right now. You're probably like, Johnny, why are we on a dirt road? Well, see, dirt roads are great because we can do a little donut. Do you think we could do a donut right here without hitting that? No, there's no room, you guys. There's no room. Oh, but we can drift this. Yes, sir. Oh, maybe I'll be able to do a donut here. I'm down to give it a shot. Not very impressive, but whatsoever. I did that failed donut and there was literally people like 100 feet in front of us just staring us down. Like, that was terrible. Oh man, but we got him with that second drift. You know, we ripped out of there. All right, you guys, so headed back into town. Check it out. Look, the sun literally just went behind the mountain like 2 seconds ago. So we're gonna head back. It's gonna get dark here, and you know, driving the Miata in the dark is not the safest thing ever. We're gonna head back to the house right now. Gotta drink this slushy here. Anyways, thank you guys so much for joining us today. I know we were just cruising around, but honestly, I love these videos where we just cruise around and drive. Like, I feel like I can just be myself with you guys because, you know, there's no one else here, and you know, filming in public and in front of people is so weird, and I'm still trying to get used to it, but I love just coming out by myself with you guys. Like, it's always so much fun. So anyways, if you guys like these POV videos and you want to see other cars besides the Miata and the Z, I might be able to ask some people, and you know, if you guys would be interested in that, I would love to give like little reviews, not like an intense review, but just kind of just, you know, if I like the driving experience or not. And we can do all kinds of stuff from, you know, sports cars to old school cars, just whatever you guys really want to see. Let me know down in the comments below and I'll reply to everybody because I love having a conversation with you guys. Hit the thumbs up if you haven't yet already, and then please subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.